He is talking with her. He is talking with her. He is reaching for books on shelf. He is reaching for books on shelf. He is running in soccer uniform. He is running in soccer uniform. He is wearing a casual outfit. He is wearing a casual outfit. The baby is smiling happily. The baby is smiling happily. The boy is sweeping the floor. The boy is sweeping the floor. He is gesturing while talking. He is gesturing while talking. She wears a pink shirt. She wears a pink shirt. She is waving as a businesswoman. She is waving as a businesswoman. He is an experienced pilot. He is an experienced pilot. The police officer stands with arms crossed. The police officer stands with arms crossed. He is dribbling a basketball. He is dribbling a basketball. The farmer boy holds a watering can. The farmer boy holds a watering can. She is harvesting carrots in the garden. She is harvesting carrots in the garden. He is doing jumping jacks. He is doing jumping jacks. He is enjoying a hot drink. He is enjoying a hot drink. She wipes up the water spill. She wipes up the water spill. A parrot is sitting on his shoulder. A parrot is sitting on his shoulder. He is making his bed. He is making his bed. He holds a cupcake on tray. He holds a cupcake on tray. He drinks water from a glass. He drinks water from a glass. He lifts dumbbells for exercise. He lifts dumbbells for exercise. He slides down the slide. He slides down the slide. He is holding gardening tools. He is holding gardening tools. He collects eggs from the nest. He collects eggs from the nest. She is reading a book quietly. She is reading a book quietly.